Welcome guys to episode 28 of how we build 5-story building. Today we are pouring concrete on the fifth floor, that is the rooftop, and we are almost done pouring concrete. Next one and final one is going to be pouring concrete on the top of the higher roof. With this big articulated pump, concrete pump, we are bringing the concrete to the fifth floor, the rooftop, and you're gonna see here how we are pouring on top of the slab. Now we are pouring inside the structure, and then we are gonna do all the outside, that is the rooftop. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell, so you can have more updates on how we build the 5-story building. Thanks for watching.